Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed to my channel, you're the best. So in this video, we'll talk about Publicis Sapient, which is hosting a hackathon, and it is giving y'all an opportunity to participate in this hackathon and win amazing prizes. Okay, it is free of cost. The registration process is free of cost, and the registration deadline is 13 July 11:59 p.m. IST. So please apply for this before 13 July. Okay, only engineering students are eligible for this region Indian. So round 1 will be online quiz wherein there will be 20 questions that you will have to solve in 20 minutes. Okay, so let us quickly see the details of the online quiz. So all registered teams can play the quiz. There is no negative marking. All decision in the matter of eligibility, authenticity and final judgment will be with Dare to Complete and the organizer. You can play the quiz on desktop or laptop. You cannot use your mobile phones. The quiz will be hosted in full screen mode. If you try to exit the window or switch tabs, a violation will be recorded. Repeated violations will result in disqualification and termination of the assessment. Please don't switch tabs or exit that window. You can attempt the quiz anytime between the provided window. You will be given a window of 10 to 1 p.m. and you have to attempt the quiz between that window. Please ensure that you attempt the quiz in one sitting, as once you start the quiz the timer won't stop. Okay. If you have any network issues between the time when you are attempting the quiz, there is no problem. The timer will still be running. You just have to restart it again. Okay. So general information quiz window from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Duration is 20 minutes, 20 questions. All questions will appear at once. You will be able to browse through the questions. Only registered participants can play this quiz. So please register for this. You'll be able to modify your answers before submitting the quiz. The quiz will be hosted in full screen mode. Again, the same thing. Don't switch tabs or exit the window, and the questions will be based on computer fundamentals. Okay, so there is no specific syllabus. The questions will be based on computer fundamentals. So let us see the next thing. The next thing is online coding challenge. So shortlisted participants after qualifying the first round, that is the quiz round, will undergo an online coding challenge where they'll be tested on their basic coding skills. That will be held on challenge will be on 16th July and the window is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then Jumpstart. Shortlisted teams will get to attend Jumpstart, your first step towards an event relevant career. Okay, and the date for that is 31st July 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, all you need to about Jumpstart you can read about this here. Publicis Sapiens Jumpstart is open to all third year and fourth year students passing out in 2022 and 2023. Challenge is open to all third year and fourth year students. The participating students can be from any specialization, any domain. Okay, even if you are from mechanical, civil, you can participate in this. There is no restriction on the number of participants from an institute. Okay, so any number of students from your institute can participate in this. Modification of details post registration closure will not be allowed, so please fill in the details very carefully. Plagiarism is strictly prohibited during the online coding challenge, so please don't copy code from anywhere. Any deviation from the above will result in immediate disqualification of your entire team, so please keep this in mind. So round 1 we have seen, round 2 we have seen, and then Jumpstart. Okay, given opportunity to meet leaders, know real life case studies, meet the previous campus hires, exclusive mentorship, networking, and fun. Okay, so these are the important dates and deadlines. Please note it down somewhere if you're participating in this. And what's at stake? The most exciting thing about this, the winners will get Apple MacBook Air and a certificate, and first runner up will get Apple iPhone 12 mini, second runner up will get Apple iPad Air, and all the participants will be getting participation certificate which will be of great worth. So please participate in this. You'll have some, you can add this to your resume that you participated in this Jumpstart from Publicis Sapient, and it will add value to your resume. Okay, so please register for this before 13th of July. Please do like this video, share this video with all of your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And thank you for watching.